Well, today Chuck and I are going to adjust the concentricity of the deck encoder ring. So what we're going to do is first remove the deck mounting plate from the hub, align the hub itself, then place the mounting plate onto the hub, and then place the mounting ring onto the mounting plate. So we've got several things to do. We're going to be doing a lot of manual movement around the clock on the deck axis, but we should be able to get it pretty accurately concentric. Okay, well, we're finished with doing the concentricity project with the deck encoder ring, and we got it pretty good. We're very pleased with where it came out. I think really we were reaching the limits of our dial indicator. We got it to about 0.02 of an inch. I think we could probably do a little better than that if we really had better test equipment, but that's sufficiently accurate for what we need. And so we're going to go with that right now. Okay, today Chuck and I are going to try and align the encoder ring. So the encoder ring plate, and specifically the encoder ring itself, must be aligned primarily so that there's the concentricity to the axis is as perfect as possible. Now, the other day we got the disc that the ring mounts onto. We got it down to about 0.10, which was pretty good, but the spec calls for plus or minus 5 microns, which is less than 1,000th. So we really needed to come back and try it again. And so today we're going to try and accomplish that through hook or crook. Basically, there are a few things that we can make tiny adjustments with. So we're about to get started with that. And with that, that's it for the intro. Okay, we're finished now with making our adjustments to the encoder ring for concentricity, and we accomplished the goal. We are actually less than 1/1000th of an inch. And we had a little trouble along the way, and then Chuck came up with an idea of rotating the disc 180 degrees on the hub, and after that it gave us enough play in the looseness, in the size of the holes of the bolts, so we could loosen the bolts and kind of tap on the ring, and tap on the disc to align it. So once we got the disc aligned to within about 2/1000, then we mounted the ring, and we could take out any remaining concentricity problems by tightening the screws. So the ring actually sits on a cone that is on the disc, and as you tighten a screw in any given location, it will tighten it onto that cone and expand the ring slightly. And in so doing, we were able to reduce all of the remaining concentricity down to, and here's our sheet with our readings. The final readings go from 0 to 0.3 thousandths, or 3/10,000ths of an inch, well within the plus or minus 5 microns that are specified by Renishaw, the maker of the encoder ring. So we're very pleased with that result, and next time we'll work on the RA encoder and do the same thing with it. So that's all for today.